Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to create my own sticker book. So if you'd like to see that, keep watching. Alright, so this product is in the Newbie Happy box, and if you have not seen my flip through, you can check that out. I will link in the description box below. It is called the Pressed Florals Be Happy box. And what this is something that's going to help you create your own sticker pack. And there are so many uses for this. At first I was like, oh, well, you know, that's not, but then the more I thought about it, the more excited I got. So today I'm going to be creating a sticker pack of all my letter and number sheets from the different like sticker packs that aren't the alphabet ones. I pulled them all out. I probably missed some and probably will whenever I find one, just stick it in here. But this was an idea. I was just like going through my comments a few minutes ago from Hyla Cooper, I think her name is. So it was a comment on my YouTube saying, hey, I think I'll use that for letters and numbers. And I was like, genius. So I'm going to do that because I'm always looking through my sticker books, like trying to find the letters and numbers. And this way, like they're all here. So it's like another sticker book completely that is alphabet. Actually, it's bigger than like another one. So this product is really, really cool. So basically it comes like this, and it comes with a pack of stickers, not a pack, a sheet of stickers of Squad Girls. And they're so cute. But so it comes with this little guy right here, this little screw, and you're just going to unscrew this, and it looks like this. I'm going to take this off because I don't want this in my sticker book, and I'm just going to like start putting these in. So I hesitated to do this because I am someone who actually I'm going to do it from the back, because I'm somebody who teaches you things on YouTube, so you always want to know the sticker book I'm using. But then I thought, well, why don't I just write it on the back? So that's what I did. Isn't this great? That's my handwriting. Like when I'm writing fast, how can you even read that? That says spring. Like, what the heck? I was like, it doesn't have to look good. That says Christmas joy. You think I always have good handwriting? It's not the case. Let's just put them in. And I have a feeling this is probably going to fit them all, hopefully, and maybe more. But this is going to be so helpful for me. So there's so many different ideas to use this that I had. And everyone's like personal in what they want in a sticker book or what they're always searching for. Basically, okay, so you could use it for loose sticker pages that fall out, because that happens, right? And I thought about using it for that because I do have a lot of those, but I liked this idea better, so thank you, Hyla. So there's other things I thought of that you could use it for. You could use it for take out all the habit trackers in all of the sticker books. You could take out all of the icons. You could take out all the flags. You could find all the gratitude stickers or all the extra boxes that are in the sticker books that aren't the colorful boxes books, you know. You could find all the birthday ones. You could make books of quotes. You could make books of extra flowers that are in the non-flower books. You know what I mean? There's just so many themes that you could come up with. Basically, what I would recommend, if you're not going to use it for loose pages, you could also use it, by the way, to store these pages, these coloring pages that came in the Newbie Happy box, these coloring stickers. But I don't want to use it for that because I really liked this idea. But if you're not going to store loose pages in here that fall out, what I would recommend is think to yourself, what are the things you're always looking through all the sticker books for? I considered gathering up all of the birthday stickers, the birthday themed, and confetti and balloons and stuff, but I felt like this was going to be more useful because when I am looking for letters or numbers, it's going to be really helpful to have it in one spot. What you can do is you can, like, once you use a page of stickers, you can take this page and you can gather up like themed stickers. So say you want like all of the coffee type stickers, but you know how they have like multiple types of stickers on each page sometimes? Well, you can gather them up on these, put them all here, and then they're going to be available for you in this book. But yeah, whatever it is that you know, that's personal to you, that you really look for all the time, I would suggest, you know, going for that. You could even do it by color. You could get a couple of these and you could do like, hey, say you love the color purple and you're always looking for purple stickers. You can gather up all the purple stickers that you can find and put them in this book and make a purple book. You know, so it's very customizable. It's going to be something that is personal to you and useful to you. So look at this. Are you kidding me? Look. I've got a freaking alphabet sticker book right here, you guys. This makes me so happy. You have no idea. There's room for a couple more. I didn't count. Maybe I should have counted how many. Let's do a quick count. I'll pause and count. Okay, so there are 44 sticker sheets in here. Now, a regular sticker book has 30, so you can definitely fit more than a regular sticker book. But how cool is this? So now what I'm going to do is take the letter stickers and I'm going to write letters on here. So let's do that. Which ones should I use? There's so many good ones. It's something I didn't know that I needed until I had it. And then I was like, why did this not exist before? So when you want to take a page out, because this is a little bit difficult, like it doesn't stay open, you know? So you're going to have actually, you could swing it. Ooh, ooh, look at that. So when I want to center stuff, I put it on a ruler and space it the way I want it on the ruler. And then I can center it pretty easily. So I'm writing letters, but this is going to be like letters and numbers. And like some of them I'm not going to take out, like the ones, that's kind of bad. The ones in like the journaling sticker book, I'm not going to take those out because like I look for those and I know that they're there because they're the ones you can color in. So I'm not going to like take those out. And if it's something that like you want to keep like within the color theme of what's in the book, like you can keep them in there. But I just thought this was a great idea. So this is going to be available for me whenever I want to use letters. I don't use letters a lot, like the small letters like this, but sometimes I need them. Maybe I'll use them more now that I don't have to search all over for them. So if you didn't see my other video on the Be Happy box and you don't feel like watching it, there's a lot of cool stuff in that box, and it goes on sale Thursday at 9 a.m. Pacific time, and it's $49.99, and you get a lot though. Like the value is crazy, but it's also 20% off because there's a code, Spring21 will get you 20% off. So you can get it for $40, and like honestly, it's worth it because first of all, there's three sticker books in there, like full sticker books. Oh, look at that. There's 3 full sticker books in there, and like those are $20 a piece, you know? So right away that's $60 and you're getting it for $40, but you also get a storage box, which I love those. I'm not just saying that. I wouldn't rave about something I didn't absolutely love, you know? But I really love the storage boxes, the sticker book storage boxes. And you get this. I didn't center that really great, but it's good enough. You get this, and then you get those coloring pages too. Wait, am I missing something? I think that's it. But that's a lot. Like, that's a lot for your money. So, anyway, I will link my affiliate link below if you are going to purchase. I'd appreciate it if you use my link or another content creator, because like somebody on the squad or a mentor, especially because we work really hard when we get these boxes in the mail to like quick hurry up and, you know, take photos, do videos, and like you know, talk about the products. Like, we work really hard at it, so it would be, that's really bothering me. So it would be really nice of you if you, you know, did that, because it doesn't cost you anything. It's just like, it's just, you're just buying it regular. And then I would get like a little bit of commission for your purchase, but it all adds up, you know? So it's very helpful. Okay, letters. I'm so excited about this. So let me know in the comments down below if you are excited about this product, and also, what are you going to use it for? So if you buy it, I want to know what you're going to use it for, because maybe I need like 10 more of these to make more sticker books. Who knows? All right. I hope you guys have a good evening, and I will see you later. Bye.